was Google. Google was the king of it will become a daily habit of millions of people. The two students, their name was Larry Page and Sergey Brin. They started a project.
And in part 1 we saw how AI tools like ChatGPT started replacing Google in everyday life.
This is a part 2 of our story about how AI is changing the Google's future.
When Google introduced AI overview, they thought it was very smart way to give answers people and quickly inside of Google. But it was a very big mistake of Google because people started using AI that doesn't use Google and they doesn't clicking on website. So investors got worried. They thought no one use website and no one see the ads. So how will they earn money?
That is a very huge loss of Google company because of their main power came from people. They use Google everyday life. Now Google company is in trap. If they remove the AI tools, so people shifted any other AI tools like ChatGPT and prepaid. And if they doesn't remove the AI, so people use AI tools and they doesn't see the ad. Now the worst part here, Google AI overview started showing answers. Their answer very shocking and dangerous. Sometimes they give very funny way and dangerous answer. And these answer viral on social media and many people laugh of Google AI overview. And people doesn't trust in AI overview and they shifted many more AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity. But this idea has a big problem. The AI version very expensive and people use Google free now. So they give money for the AI version? I think no. And there a big question arrive. Can AI survive without their AI version? Yeah, AI overview taken the place of Google? Tell me in the comment and thank you so much watching my video.